What's going on YouTube? It's your boy E Prophet. Welcome back to the process. And I am down here at this Showdown Detroit car show by the river. Y'all see that water? Ain't that a gorgeous view? Ran into my guy Corey down here, man. We finna check out his G-body. He got a clean 79 Buick Regal. I'm gonna show y'all this in a second, man. I met Dog at one of the other car shows, the Memorial Day car show. You know, he been showing me love, I've been showing him love back, you know. So I'm gonna go showcase his car, show y'all how this boy riding out here. Check him out. Remember this car from the last car show? My Memorial Day car show. If you didn't see that video, go back and watch it now. Check it out. But look at Dog. Look how clean this build is. He gonna pop the hood in a minute, man. He gonna show you the whole setup. Everything he got done from the ground up. Alright. What's going on, bro? So what's up, man? Talk to him, man. I told everybody I met you at one of the car shows, man. Memorial Day car show. You know, I seen the car then. It caught my eye right away how clean this build is, bro. So, I mean, talk to him. Tell him what year it is, and let's go from there.
Right here, man. T-top car, factory T-top. Everybody.
Yep,
you pull into any car show, you're gonna see 10 Grand Nationals, 10 T-types. You ain't gonna see this right here. So this 78.
What all you done to it, man? Like, how long this build been in your process?
You know what? So this was actually my dad's car, man. This has been in my family for 20 years.
Okay.
So, you know what I'm saying? He gave it to me as a graduation present from high school. So
that's a good hand-me-down right there.
Yeah. But it gave me a great foundation.
Yeah.
Pretty much everything you see is how it was done back in 07. Wheels, paint, interior. All that shit was done like that.
That paint job been since 07?
That paint job was actually done in 06.
06.
But we didn't get the wheels on it until 07.
That still look crisp.
Then I just, you know, I got it, man.
I don't see no problems.
Huh?
I don't see no problems nowhere.
Nah.
No bubbles, no surface issues, nothing.
Clean.
That's what's up, bro. You gotta pop that hood for him. I know what he got, but I ain't gonna tell y'all yet until he pop this hood. This where it's up. That 383 stroker right there. And she sound crazy too when he crank it up, man. I'm telling you. She been dyno? Okay. 500 horses. Okay.
It's supposed to, you know.
It better, shit. Well, that boy look, it better. I see your suspension work you got down here.
Yeah, it's got coilover suspension.
Real wood brakes on there.
Real wood brakes on 4 corners, 6 piston on front, 4 on the rear. And it's also got the UMI suspension, got the upper and lower control line over there.
Okay.
Got the anti-roll bars and shit. You see up under there, it's clean, man. Ain't no rust.
I see. I can't get on the ground like I want to, but yeah, everything down there clean. Yeah, that's nice, bro.
And that bitch sound as good as it looks.
You said it sounds as good as it looks. Y'all hear that cam hitting? Ooh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Already got a clean build right here. I like it. That's a good hand-me-down. This old dude looked out for him. Yeah, you sound good, bro. So quick shout out. You on Instagram, right? What's your Instagram page, bro?
Score 392 on IG. Yeah, score 392.
Yeah. Should I go follow my guy, man? He got a motherfucking Jeep. He got a Jeep out here too. Y'all better go to his page, check this man out.
I appreciate it.
You hear me? He got that horsepower out here, man. Don't doubt that kid. Yes, sir. All right, so y'all just seen my guy Corey in his 78 Buick Regal. You know, I got a chance to finally showcase his car. He was tied up for a while, getting the last few things done to his car, man. So thanks for actually coming through. Let me get you on camera. That boy fire. And you know, hopefully I can get you back. You got some other toys over there, man. For the Mopar fans out here, check him out. He on Instagram, Corey_392. Corey_392 on Instagram, man. So look at this little sneak peek of his page. Check this out. See what I'm saying? So come back, man. We got some more work to put in, bro. So again, man, thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure you leave a comment, share it, like it, all that YouTube stuff y'all already know, man. And let's get to it. Let's keep it going.